taxes are a very complex subject. Albert Einstein once said that tax is the most difficult subject of all the subjects out there. I don't know if he just couldn't understand the rules. There's many rules out there that sometimes I just can't understand. And it's true. There's so many rules, so many little exceptions to the exception, so many different topics within tax. It gets very, very complex and convoluted. Now, one thing I love about tax is when you get to see how the rules fit into place. Like a puzzle, or maybe like a Rubik's Cube that you have to sit there and navigate, and finally you get everything together, and it feels so good when you put it together. Or another good example is Tetris. Many of you play the game Tetris, where you have to get the pieces to fit into one another, right? And you want to maximize your space. You want to make sure the pieces fit together. So the idea here, when you're looking at choice of entity, C corporation, S corporation versus LLC or an entity taxed as a partnership, the idea is that there's a lot of different rules that apply to each respective entity. You look at C corporation, you've got different things like double taxation, you've got special rules that apply to C corporations, you've got S corporations, single level taxation, but special rules that apply to S corporations who can be S corporation, etc., etc. Partnerships, single level taxation, all these special rules. You then compare and contrast. That's the best way to understand. And when you finally put it all together, when you put C corporation, S corporation, and LLC or entity taxes partnership together, you get to see kind of these differences and how things fit together. Now, there's no crystal ball out there. There's no way to see the future and make the best decision in terms of being able to see the future, because if that was the case, then tax would be a lot easier, especially choice of entity. But the idea is that understanding these basic concepts, and if you're going to go into the area of accounting or law and deal with tax, understanding all the rules and how they fit into place, you can definitely navigate your client, or again, if you're just a business person, understand what's going on.